Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. If you clicked on this video, you are interested in this big hair that I got for less than $24. Okay, yes, less than $24. All right, it is synthetic hair. I'm going to give you guys more details in these next clips, so go ahead and stay tuned. Watch me take my hair down out of the braids that I sleep in and give you more details. Okay guys, so first I want to show you what type of hair it is. This is what it looks like when it comes out the pack, and it is the Motto Gardenia Mastermix. And the texture that I got was the Super Wave. This is a 3-piece. It comes in a 22-inch, a 20-inch, and an 18. They actually have longer lengths, but this was what I decided to go with. I didn't need anything too long. 22 inches is already a little long, right? Okay, so yes, I paid less than $24 for this hair. It is a synthetic hair. It's a synthetic fiber, but you can't expect too much from it. But I'll just say so far I've really been enjoying it. It hasn't been tangling up on me too much, but I will add that I keep my hair pretty much braided like this. And for my nighttime, this is how I braid my hair. I just put it in 3 braids on each side, so that's 6 braids. And for the most part, I leave my hair braided up like this unless I'm really going out, or if I'm going to go do something to where I want to dress up, you know, because I don't want the hair to like really mat up and tangle on me, because this is my first time wearing it and I don't really know how it's going to react. And I'm being very mindful that this is synthetic hair. Guys, the color that I have in my hair is the color 1B. They have different colors. They have like sort of like blonde with the black tips, and they also have different patterns too. They have like a body wave, and I think they have straight. I'm not sure, but I got this hair from a local beauty supply. I live in the LA area. I've seen this hair at 2 separate beauty supplies, and I've kind of been stalking it. Like, I've been really wanting something that was big and something that I could match with my texture, and I think I finally found it. I love it. I will be wearing this hair for my birthday, guys. My birthday is coming up at the end of the month. Yes, Virgo Nation. Okay, August 28th. Okay, let's see, what else can I tell you guys? Okay, so my hair is in a U-part sew-in. So I have leave out here, and then I have leave out around the edges. I don't have any of my back out, and I flat iron my hair. So boom, let me tell you how I flat iron my hair. So I don't flat iron my hair often. I will be flat ironing again because my birthday is coming up, but I don't flat iron it often. So when I do, I make sure I deep condition my hair. And also, hold on, let me get my my hot tool so I can show you exactly what it is that I use. Okay, so I make sure, like I said, I make sure my hair is deep conditioned, well deep conditioned, and then I blow dry my hair and I flat iron it. So before I blow dry, I use this cheap Total Protect, and I put a generous amount, yes, even on this little small part here, because I really want to protect my hair. And then I use my Babyless blow dryer, and I use this on high settings with both. Yeah, I use this on both of the high settings here. And I use either a comb like this, like a big wide tooth comb, or a smaller or like a detangling brush, and I just make sure I thoroughly blow dry it and get it as straight as possible, because when I flat iron my hair, I only put it on 375. Now, this is the flat iron I use. It's also by Babyless. This is the Nano Titanium one, and this is what I use. It's the Babyless Pro Nano Titanium, and I put this on 375. I don't go over 375 because it will burn my hair out, and I make really small sections and I flat iron it. Okay, boom. That's pretty much it. Oh shoot, y'all, no, before I flat iron my hair, right, on each section I use BioSilk. So I'll section it off into 3 sections, 1, 2, 3, and I'll put BioSilk on each section. This is just another layer of heat protectant for me. Okay, And that's pretty much it for that part. Okay, now I have to mention this. All right. So when I bought the hair, okay, of course it looked like this. But the hair that you see in my intro, the big hair, it got like that because I braided my hair up like this in 9 sections. But at first I had 9 braids, so 9 sections. And I took my flat iron and I put it on the lowest degrees that it comes with. And that was 300 for this flat iron. And I just went like this to each braid. And then I let my hair cool down. I didn't unravel it for maybe about 3 hours. And it kind of lost a little bit of its texture. And that's how I got that big blown out look. It wasn't my intent to do that. My intent was to have more of a braid out look, but it didn't work. So that's what you see here in the beginning of the video, okay? Y'all, I'm supposed to be doing my baby hair is why I'm telling y'all this. Hold on. I got my Eco Styler gel here. And let me get started doing that. Yeah, I use Eco Styler gel on my edges even though I flat iron my hair. Yes I do. So this is synthetic hair, so I don't put any product on the synthetic hair. None. I don't put any product on this synthetic hair because it is synthetic. So I just want to let it be, you know. When you begin to put too much product on synthetic hair, it'll weigh it down. Even with human hair or that expensive hair that you buy, you put too much heavy product on the hair, it will weigh it down and take away from what you really want it to look like. You really don't need to put product on this hair. I haven't. This is day 6 for me. And yeah, so it's almost been a week and the hair is doing really good. Like, I'm not getting too much shedding, like any excess shedding, nothing more than the normal than what it should be, because I'm not constantly running my fingers through it, constantly brushing it. Like I said, when I only wear it out when I'm going somewhere, like when I need to. Okay, also guys, I did cut layers into this hair so that it can frame my particular face the way I wanted it to. Like, everyone's different. You don't have to cut layers, but I cut layers in it. I feel like when you do that, it gives you more of a natural look, you know, and it's not too heavy. It doesn't look too heavy. Kind of gives some shape to your face. So I did cut layers in it just around the front and on each side. So I had some layers cut about right here, and then down here I just kind of took my, where is it? I took my razor and I just went down my hair and I was just cutting layers in and just cutting short to long layers, and that's really what I did for that. Okay, yeah, for the most part that's it, guys. I absolutely love my hair. I don't have high expectations for this hair because it's only $24 and it's a synthetic fiber, so you kind of got to keep that in mind when you're buying this kind of stuff. I absolutely love it though. I mean, take care of it. Don't put too much excess product on it and you should have a okay experience, you know. But for me, my experience has been great so far. Okay, it is big hair, it is synthetic, so it will get hot on you. I will be honest about that. This hair gets hot. Okay, yeah guys, just be nice to your hair, you know. Don't leave this synthetic hair in your hair for 2 months and then like start to complain and say, oh, my hair it's shedding and it gets so tangled. Like, you have to treat your hair nice, be mindful, and just understand also your natural hair up under that needs to be serviced too. So 2 months, that's really a long time. Okay. That's just my personal preference. I would never leave a style in for over a month. Okay, but yeah. But guys, I'm just going to continue to take these braids down, and I'll allow you to watch me take the braids down so you can see what my hair looks like when I unbraid it. Oh, also, let me see. I do put a silk scarf on it at night too. I don't wear a bonnet. I just put a silk scarf on. I know somebody is probably going to be like, do you wrap your hair at night? Yes, I don't sleep on it. Just, I don't have any silk pillows, so I do put a scarf on. But yes, this is how I take it down. Also, when I take my hair down, when I'm wearing it out, I do not brush through it. I don't comb through it. I just finger detangle. That's it. Finger detangle and just let it be. Oh guys, also one pack is more than enough. Like I showed you this in the beginning, like this is how much hair I have left. Like I have all this hair left and I have a U-part sew-in. Like if you wanted to do a full head weave, no leave out, you definitely could. I mean, it's a lot of hair. So look at all this hair, man. I just love it. This right here is my natural hair. So when I went in with this razor, I like started where my natural hair ends, and then I just kind of cut down into it just like that. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet for real now and just finish taking these out. Okay, you guys, so that's it. That is what it's looking like when I unbraid it. It is pretty long. That's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave your questions for me down in that comment section. Anything you want to know, ask me in the comment section. I'm here. I'll have answers for you guys. But that's it. This is the look. I love this look. Once again, this is the model Gardenia Mastermix, and I'm wearing 22 inches, 20 inches, and 18 inches, but I cut layers into it. Color is 1B. The style is super wave, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's just me talking and explaining this to you, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Let me know how you feel about that down in the comment sections too. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you wish to. And thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.